How to change the fog light on a Volkswagen Golf. It's the bottom light in the middle section here. All we need to do first, take off the back. That reveals the back of the light, which is here. So it's on these little metal things, so just push down and pull out one side. Push down, push out on the other side. Let's get around the hook. And that will free the back off, like that. And then obviously the light bulb comes out. And to disconnect the light bulb, just pull it away from here. So this wiring stays with the bulb itself. It's just a bit of a close-up. It's just this little metal bar here. In the end, you're just pushing down that at the end to get around the hook. And that frees it off, and the same for the other side. So when you get your new bulb, the electrics slide back in to the original connection, just like that. So get your new bulb, place it in, and just get the hooks around the wiring, so have that wiring above everything. Then you're literally pushing these back in and around the hook, the other one around the hook, and you're done.